Hello and welcome. Today I will be having a quick look at this Hoover Senior that I picked up recently. So first of all we will plug it in and see if it works. I will now do a quick sound reading to see how noisy it is. .5. From about a metre away it was 78.4. There is quite a smell of burning rubber coming from it. Probably the belt is stretched. So, well, that'll be changed when I service it and pull it to bits to clean it. Well, apart from that, it is actually in quite good condition. Apart from there is a wheel that's broken, somebody's actually done a modification and the other wheel's all chunked up. But, yeah. Thank you for watching my video. If you've liked my video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.